Zozo House by Atelier ITCH in DONGDAEMUN-GU, South Korea. Cultivating abundance in life through simplicity and attention to detail, the joy and fulfillment delicate spaces offer. Individuals with a keen eye for detail lead a more diverse and opulent life compared to those who do not share their sensitivity. Observing the ever-changing hues of the sky during the daily commute, discerning alterations along the well-trodden pathways, interpreting the nuances in human interactions, the life of a detail-oriented person is marked by intricacy, their senses finely attuned. Being attentive to details translates into savoring experiences with precision and abundance. For instance, the hexagonal design of a pencil prevents it from rolling off the desk, while dotted lines on an envelope facilitate neat and efficient opening. Such small, pragmatic considerations can be profoundly moving when noticed. Less is more, as the architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe famously said. Simplification isn't limited to mere removal or monotony but entails meeting essential functions while rendering them unobtrusive, avoiding aesthetic disruption. This house was thoughtfully designed to incorporate concealed details and considerations, enabling residents to experience moments of inspiration that accumulate into profound joy during their stay. Nestled at the end of a residential alley, this aging abode comprises a 20-square-meter ground floor and a 15-square-meter upper floor. The original building's structure and color palette underwent minimal adjustment. The exterior greenery surrounding the building was enriched and made vibrant through road-facing terraces, a fenced-in terrace, and a second-floor terrace. As part of the simplicity-focused process, entrance eaves and second-floor railings were minimally executed using metal materials. The act of entering the house and opening the door was pushed inward to protect privacy. Zozo House is the domicile for a couple in their 30s and their loyal canine companion, Zozo. The layout was meticulously crafted to reduce spatial partitions like walls or doors, allowing Zozo to roam freely. Aside from a guest room for visitors and functional spaces like the bathroom and closet, no separate room divisions exist. Upon entering the ground floor, a long, dim corridor greets you, culminating in an indoor garden enclosed by dark wood materials. The corridor's flanking storage units also serve as a shoe rack, showing the living room between the upper and lower compartments. Behind this area lies the kitchen, where the sink and the shoe rack appear interconnected but are functionally distinct. In the ground floor living room, you'll find two terraces. One is a petite outdoor terrace facing outward, while the other is a subdued indoor moss garden near the entrance. The moss garden area accommodates the building's purification tank, and despite the option to relocate it, the design was retained, creating an outdoor haven. This allows for enjoying two distinct gardens, each with a unique character and ambience. A single step, the size of a stair landing, demarcates the boundary between the ground and upper floors, defined by contrasting materials. Passing through the stairwell encased in a landing and plywood on the walls and ceiling, you ascend to the upper floor. The stairwell and the walls and ceiling of the cozy study retain the natural texture of wood, permitting the soft hues to seep through the windows. A study area, devoid of a dividing wall, bridges the bedroom and stairwell, creating a seamless connection between the two. The entire upper floor is divided into a spacious bedroom featuring a concealed door that provides access to the dressing room and bathroom, allowing one to enjoy evenings with a beam projector while reclining in bed. A bamboo grove was thoughtfully planted in the bathroom before a sizable window, ensuring privacy while connecting with nature. On leisurely weekend mornings, the shower in the bathtub, with the play of light and the sway of bamboo shadows, enhances the richness of their weekends. Stepping onto the second-floor terrace, Zozo and the couple revel in sunlight and savor the abundance of nature in their petite garden.